Hi, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How una dey, my correct people? Yes, so I don't carry another story come give you now for inside life.
Well, near back come back. But a woman away a woman. Only one share no panekia. Only send a picture of a gallery bloggers. Can marry you way. Imagine we are your
no no wa ma mi egbe o ma lo bi akewe.
Eh. On m'a dit que Niger. On m'a dit que Niger na TikTok na for not the boy. Mais mais comme du boy oui e ka be platform web e to pa be ri oni ya be ti woman. We ya be ri. Mais mais comme du matter for social media. Since anybody no fit settle this matter. The woman said no. He no want to make people know for social media. The man said no. Okay, now me now when I go dey share a picture now me go come dey happy people say with the woman they share my picture up and down. I'm not go dey happy put now.
Gumeta mawe. Oga ebe nu ya guye na. Geri ogele ya sunu. A picture when he actually ni talking I bless you.
Is that mommy?
Oh bless you. Oh jawe ya popular mo. I don't very your day you go.
Is that mommy?
Emu we gbo to ye.
Ime mommyage ya nyoko na.
Sai nya. Eri nya. No na imi ona ogu e wo da number 2. We ya e go gwa da fin e gbagun ae. We digu ma ya e.
Mommy TikTok no iye ge ipama mi me kara mommy. Me si pa ga gbi me gun e woman na lele aje e TikTok e ke ni me na ma we na gun ani. The woman dey for life.
Okay now. Okay, I read the video. Okay now, what is here the boy na be block you we? What's the boy na block you we?
Eh the boy ma block him eh. Mo block the boy for the first time. I took one again the girl I just stop me where the mother for her to wa. E me na to block the boy. You know where I beg tell your woman make you leave me. If una get any problem, una go settle na problem.
They no bet the boy me. They no bagari. We ga no na. We wait the boy. Cause you now only pick your watch me ma. Now do me a call me. O ma o no pick guy nai. O ko na ro godo. Ami o ya pa ne to stay. Ko pa na mo ko e ya to stay. Okay? On the rat no pia ya to stay. Oda fa wa we an wa be vi ko e fa da fa wa yan me. O pia do o ko va wa ni ya. O ko ya wa. Not really lack of with baby of you. So man on set gba way. Wa wo kun pa. And number 2. O bia na carry ge ba egi work so toast again na. O carry ge ba egi mo a. Na me we ge no ya ge na o man iri ge ba egi we. O ke ba be ge o. No do na no same person o ya na go free. Do man na no we. E ya o man na me ala go za o. Because why na neba ima do it you lie. E can when I'm nine even when I be nak buwe. Even when I be nak buwe. Ado una with that to be a Mario work get. Emma mimi we tie ya. We call ya because I'm happy ke call you watch.
It's yeah, mom. It's yeah, mom come time motana bana we. Ne dosi ma fiera no mo go mami yore. Ne talo mame cause ne ya ugwe because ne ya sunu sra we ya sunu TikTok bana all do dey ya aku understand you na we really take serious one day where the boy sira agbo ya ba ya bere ba o ya agbo den wa so the girl mi wa we no ya gun self we mi no ta o ne le iwe ri o ma iya panu selu no
the other guy no nya mo we no ya gun ma dey okay.
Panu selu no.
When I'm picking another time, the old word even not sunu. And I ain't another time.
All the blogger ya here go le wa go here ri emi o wa ta. But we are doing on him na magere. Because we the man wa finishing winner. Ona wa ri we the girl. Emi na we anywhere wa see we the girl we the man 8 hours na wa 8 hours. But when finishing with now, see when I joke with the girl 8 hours. Huh?
The man they go finish
that
him.
one too much.
Mimi society well. The man they go finish him with 8 hours, 12 hours. On not choose a real way girlfriend a choice no. A choice no. As far here if I hero, understand? Okay, yeah. The girl now we do find out. Me a change now we do find out. Baby mama, we ain't me yahu. You understand? Do women in your another woman can have it. Do women in your another man can have it. That mona was say, no who your marriage hero, no who your boyfriend and girlfriend hero, no who your baby mama ro. Oh, them my girl my life will regret 50-50 message in that. Everybody have his life to live. Hey, the girl that will be Mugeni plugger, my sister. The picture get mommy yore, nagbele ye o, na ya we boss. Nagboyare ye. That a baby papa ya the same that we are work I make a name. The mommy like Mudiake calling ya or mark call back anything. The picture nagboyare beye. No be no je. Ona to only a contribution in me. Because ọ̀rẹ́ náà as far ọ̀gá rẹ̀ bá níwèé di máa chase ìwẹ̀ ń wẹ̀ gọ́nà lè di máa kí àwọn onísàn.
Mekọle nene di man ogo na ma de ringi ogo ye ringi bet ye ma pick ogo ma na ma o ma jo
No, why would you make me react like that? If this Oga fish, if you want to send me message, he go send me message, he go block me. You understand? Now, what he send me, he send my children, papa give him my address. They give him my address. He give him my address. Picture when I take get my first picking 10 years ago, I just enter when I enter Italy, not maybe 1 week. When I enter Italy, they snap me. The lady. And the lady now, that boga fish now, in the threatening me. Tomorrow now, I will carry my children, papa. I will go give police. That's what I will do. No problem. Thank you. No problem. Thank you.
Wano na mini na roti na mini we not pick a color. Hello my sister. Hello lawa power tapi me wala wo. Hello
Good evening, ma.
otene call butter.
What's up, man?
Call.
Well done.
What happen you and the other girl? What did they happen?
We not really get problem now. One day, I
bet Lord the one we tell they watch me lower your side.
Yes. I want so.
Lower so that the thing will clear well. Now the father of your children, now he carry you go give the girl.
Yes.
I take carry you take give the girl.
Me and him we get misunderstanding.
Mm-hmm.
So I think last month, that is November. Me and him come get misunderstanding. So he come out for here. As he come out for here, after I think 1 week. Now come see and say I just pass I just did TikTok and say make I scroll. Now just see for this lady live screen. Now me come send now come send emoji of laugh go give her. Now say you going not like some people. You want cut it down. You come the now you still go meet. So I can't use that one laugh and not take as anything. So now so he call the girl, he call the tell and say me they laugh am. Not tell and say no, me I know they laugh you. I just tell you say you no like case and person. You still go meet case and person and you dey swear for it and pass. So now so I tell talk am before you know, he come dey send anything about me, he come dey send and give the girl. Everything about me come dey send and give the girl. If the girl come call live video, he go dey throw word for me. They say who get word? Now you know say yes, now me get this word. He go dey throw word for me, go dey throw word for me. Now I call father of my children. Now I tell am say, me and you, we know me and you dey quarrel. Wetin come concern this girl? When you come dey send her, when you come dey tell her everything about me, about my children. It not really concern this lady. One day, I see say the father of my children come dey swear say they tell am anything. He come dey swear say they tell am anything. Now I come say you dey tell am, I make this girl go come live video. He go dey throw word. So one day I see say the girl call me for night. As he call me, he tell me say na father of my children. Now I give am my number. Now I say okay. Now he come ask me wetin happen to my father of my children. Now judge give the girl. As the girl come say father of your children, I do this one. Now I say yes. Now she come tell me say make her no vex. And all he record, the girl record I be get am before. Because of say wetin he come dey do now, when I come block and now all of the thing wipe. But I still get one of the record when he sent for me for first time. Before you know, I call the girl come, he and the girl come they friend. Even when they do Christmas and New Year, the man he do Christmas and New Year for where the girl dey.
Are you sure?
Yes, tell mommy if he said na lie, tell am make he swear.
May you first swear. If wetin you dey talk na true, this year go better for you. But if na lie, God Almighty go put you for problem. Say amen.
Amen. Mommy, you know what? When I talk
No.
Now, father of my children, now he tell me say he dey go there. Even this week, make I say this week when finish so he call me. He tell me say he dey road, he dey go there. Call me for video call.
That one a lie. You for not swear. Not be say he did the house where he call you. He call you when he did the house. Just or no, he call you. Not be when he did road.
Yeah, you know what? For Christmas, you know me, I be able to suspect her, One, he called you the girl number take call me in Nigeria number two, this man, his brother, he still where this girl come call his brother, he come call his brother could they condemn me say, me I go pursue his brother. Come that one come say, not be today you know this woman, they don't date over more than 10 years. Now his brother, the man, this my father, my children, papa. Now he call there are two. There be one call that is the one where their papa senior make it confuse them. He not feel confused them. Now the one call me tell me say, Mama Precious, now dear, now Daddy Precious, they come now the woman now he go dey tell her wetin he go talk.
Okay. Hello, my sister. Hold on, she dey online. Mama, tell mommy. She can't do Christmas. The boy can't do Christmas and New Year for your place. Tamata wa toge wa mommy go bona. My sister, you were teaching the child so.
Mommy, you know, see, not be me talk. I said, now his brother, the man, this boy, his brother, now he tell me say he dead there. When he dey talk, the woman, I said, this woman, he ask her, man, where he not born for. Ask her what to make her call they call the boy family.
I know what your family the boy.
Mommy, not it.
You know.
Mommy, why you not see me? Why you not see me? Again, the point now for the again now. Oh, yeah, what a minute, I have a family of family of in Nigeria. The one I put them where they made the rumor come near the Nigeria, and I'm okay, you just give me the number, make I explain myself to them. I'm not the date their brother. If the woman get issue with your wife, let them go settle her. Now, so it's happen. The reason why this woman they tackle me, they can't say I block her because the stress not too much. Mommy, this guy they lie. This guy is a lie. You see, if I give it to you, you go swear. Yes, I go swear. You see, you go swear. Nobody. I go try to do paper. This one, I go try to do.
Well, Mutia, then you know, I saw them not so good and I. Oh, John. Which one said Juju? I tell me. I'm going to try and area Juju. I tell her where to go. Them no Juju can way. In ya na kwari Juju. Them no Juju in ya. You made up by Juju. Mutia. Go and tell them no kakenoje.
Mommy, tell this lady, make you leave the children of my now 4 boys now go for this man. He tired now. Pursue your baby papa for her house. Now pursue her. Mommy, this guy used to do that tie this man down. This time 34 years, you will be old woman. You don't know how many years you took to your house.
Oh, we are not one 5 boys. I hear boy attack. Oh, we are not 5 boys. Jamie, yeah, when the government in our withdraw, you go back country.
See, you said you better pass me. Do not I don't, you know.
Mutia, wait.
I know pass you now. Pass that your matter with your baby papa. Oh yeah, come me for your matter with your baby papa.
Mommy, when you attack Papa, not damn you. Say when you attack Papa, when you attack Papa.
Hello, me make no gwaje, no si whatever we are we. Esi sabe no pa we are we sati we wa ko e mana. Mama baby, now where you now your side noise they do away.
No, it's not there where I did.
Eke no gwaje no ko se ga ma we na agwasi, o ma we ya na were no ke do we ya.
No, I'm not. Now inside house I do. I know.
No be you, na she, na side.
Okay.
Make one person mute. Make her see where the noise dey. Mama baby, may you mute.
Okay.
Mute.
Yes, mommy, just give me 1 second. Make I.
Hello.
Now my side the noise dey.
But what I do stop here? Ege mami yana ka gwa ma we yana. They too we why get problem iro ya ka mi family go wa wata ma we wa lu wa yan do. U ga be tie family go wa ya explain. They no explain ba. Ba na mo miss we kan. We me ya preach we de gbe wa re mu ge expenses book be wu yan.
Mommy yore, ma gbota yo. Mommy yore.
Mo.
Then they na wa be they no wa dey so go na. They wa dey like e very oni. Ni ga le ka be je na le mana gwe, ma le baby papa o ge ma ne mi magic go be. No e ko mi, ne ga send no ba ni ma ne ga share picture ni.
Omego pan we ya agwa kan mo ge be sadi we a. Atema to so lo ba ze wo so dan yo. Omego pan we ya agwa kan e matter ge.
Mommy yore.
Yeah.
Mommy yore.
Yeah.
Hey, marriage boy na agwa. The woman na to involve. E me na go call it again. Maybe call it again man na agwa. We just dey talk fine. You understand? Only like you understand. You not can be again na where no more than one la wa. Ile mi ya o itete. Ni ya make a piece. You wanna wear ye money to man. Where property no winya. You to go share. Atuku.
Mujane uwe ya me no baga we ke kole. Are no baga no
Ready boy boy no bad, and the boy where again now or share a picture of me. Nyare life video, all the asking shot me. I'm an academic again, where Menaka made the boy, we're not no bad man. You may call it again, Menaka, my way, me with the boy. We not get anything on the because the boy they come as platform where. You understand? On your job, you find it again. If you know who when they get, and then my way compress God, man, I have one private property near the Nigeria, Mate Camel, the Nigeria corner. If you are senior, they are ready to be there. My never row. And I can hear, we not come to get where make you try, make the peace with your husband.
Mudiane, mama. Hello, mama baby. Mama baby.
Hello, mama.
You say your baby now your son now noise there. What do you they do?
I don't know why my noise come. We know they do anything. I inside room I just they nothing.
Come out when you enter room again. Noise there.
Yes, no.
Come out for the conference call when you enter again.
Okay.
So then what it be like? I know what time you need. Or change the boy know what time you where it didn't any waffy and where the bet you were. Hello?
Hello.
That the father of your children, that your brother will tell you say your husband, let me call it your husband, that you go do Christmas and New Year for this girl house. Please, can you add the man join this call?
No, mommy, you know they use WhatsApp.
Oh yeah, give me number, me I call her direct. Give me the person number.
Mommy, you hear me?
And they hear you.
Mommy, you know what, this boy, so when they talk, after he not been there for maybe 1 week, you know what this boy what they do? Because this guy come tell and say, his first house when he built for Nigeria, now 2 years, now he take build that. This guy can show my guy accounts. Me and this man, we did now 10 years plus, I be 11 years now we did. So this guy can show the account, he come they let me they know say he get money well. You know that now there. See, mommy, you know what I know this guy. 1 week, this boy don't let me rest again. Now this guy, now if I tell me say, make I go sign this thing, man go sign our marriage certificate so that me and the man divorce. You understand? He go to pressure this man, the pressure, and this man not gonna let me get peace again. Let me go sign the marriage certificate now because of this guy. This guy,
Guamudia, we get guan. One talk about West your logo manaya. We're better with TikTok or a boy or don't tell me baby mama here do a record you will. Mati where Nukuya Eva Nukuya go back. Well, I got communicate with them. I do it when I put where down here preaching me. What will you if I come to?
mommy, I accept them. My phone.
Why in here, my sister? See, you know there with the baby of your baby father. I don't know what they call her.
See, make I tell you one thing, go to a TikTok, go and check in comments. You will see a God's plan. You will see the comments when the man they comment for his post.
Why be say you just the monitor? Why? Why you the monitor?
Mommy, I know the monitor. You know why? You know why that the man, if the man me I block him. You understand? So if maybe sometimes message go reflect on my phone, he go they tell me say this and this. Me, he don't need me again. He don't find another. Mommy, imagine last week I go miss my social. You know what my social tell me?
No.
This man, he say he don't get woman where he want marry. Whether if he marry and whether anything day. Now so I said, this girl, he tell my father of my children, make common father shot for my children when he go for the end.
Wait, I want to ask you another question. Your baby father, na baby, baby, where woman the remote?
Yes, you know, guys, you know, say this woman, it don't advance. So anything when the man just tell her, this woman just tell her, he go job believe. He go job anything when the woman tell her, now they do.
Add your baby father, Jonah. Add and join this phone. Let's see.
Tell her, make he add and join her.
Add.
Tell her, make he add her.
Hey, stand on my friend on the phone, okay? On my friend, hey, boy, no was here to here. Okay, now, what the boy now they calling you away, oh, la, we mute. Mama, baby, mute your side. Obaga, where Opiane Ogaga, Zoseva, Inyaje, Yak, and Yenye. We are Yamio, no mamma go to whenever you are calling you there, at the Evanugari, just to cause confusion. Just to make this woman believe you say you dey date the woman. Why not they do like this? Why? Don't you have another boy he?
Mommy, yare.
Don't you have no he?
We baruko. No, the boy say now for mu baruko.
Then I be aroko. You be sa.
Oh.
Yes.
O ya gbo wa lu wa fa be na.
Ogo wata. Owa ya ba wo ge my woman na. Eruma kanti we my ye. We get a makanti my ha.
Me can the boy na ina no we imagine na take nu gbe je boy na wi yen kwe. Emi no si apale ti me ma we mata na de woman na ede. Because me engwe me ya ke ya settle.
You wa sieti na ya. You na we be na me awa jojana. Okay, deti egele di ogugwe deke o pe no no be ati baby mama ga. We ga o den yen na ya we mi po kenuje.
You know put every idea. This one not to my house. You want to the house.
But I tell me baby mama ga na yen o wa when you begwe na. Na that boy na begwe. Why you they do like this, my brother? Why do you want yourself to win beneath people but not get together? Near do agbele social media. Oh, Umao, why I tell okay, my baby mama way. Erioma kanti my way. Erioma do a pepper, where's your pepper,
On your son, I'm with the matter in why you go every point, because and then you pay women. A bed woman.
Oh, bebo anyone ake emunaje. Ebo any no mekoni na. O wa miss o men ne wari ikpikpia. Ari o gbanu agba wa hawe. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Wa gwe kere we wa reye. But don't wa no do mo nei. Wa we son in the government. No we are do mo na ye masa wo we. Where ka be mo?
Mommy go me
We ka mo na.
You are now. I got grown up children.
I mean, we're more journey. We're more journey.
Oh, maybe very soon. Just a love one. Not me. These two couples, so now couple now go call them. I don't get issue with this woman. Now she just take the matter like maybe.
He say na me, mommy, you're come up, come and stay here. We are there to talk. Ade, na mo when you do. Ade, Larry.
If you just any small matter like this, the woman.
Ade go born me the phone. Ade,
No.
ask me for a request. But I talk with mommy na me. Like what am we go ba meka? We do you do? Me make kesi na joga me boy na wa me da wa mi ya we you. Ya wa po we bo na. Awe ga your team na ba ga wa ad ma ya me. Wa yin yan ni do mare yin. Even me go. Why are you people doing that? Hello.
Hello.
Ade TikTok, call TikTok. Come.
I don't pick climb up for TikTok.
What's here?
No, I no fit. I no reach this thing. So I no reach 1,000.
Oh, you go fit. Oh, let's say you know fit your camera. You go fit climb up. Even if you can't keep person, you go fit. Just that you not go feature yourself. Nobody they see your face. Come TikTok.
No, I'm not sure whether I'll feed that TikTok. This WhatsApp not job value. I don't like.
Now you don't like TikTok, but you the monitor person when your boyfriend they toast. You don't like TikTok. Now that girl not follow. Now now your baby father. Now they cause everything. Now they cause problem.
I know, mommy, the way where this guy, mommy, you.
This girl cannot just swear now. You don't know the kind prayer. That woman not be small picking now. If you dey draw, why you go dey dinner?
You know what this evening? This woman do this evening, eh?
What did she do?
Make I sell the record for you.
Send me the record. Send me the record. Make I take believe. Send the record. Come. You know go fit come up for TikTok better. We let on the saga with TikTok. There's some video.
Ramadan. I know.
Ah. Where review we go home, you know. Oh, me no talk. Baby, I not soon. Okay, I watch it. Okay, but I forget to go tie. Oh no, 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 why je? Magmona imagine. I don't hope ya no no why je. We know ourselves. Other from what to okay came away. All told we get support eh. Wa support eh we big way. Igmanoro ala jave atani to suwe o. Wa go support me ja. Sort of fit to tell her where wa go tori. Where my go with an even bobo. Why I will stop as when you yo. Or what but where they were the woman don't show me a cat. The woman they admire me. The woman get money. She don't even call my family. He don't do this. Or what do I scatter when we're making I confused. Or this up will not lay. You see I invite you talking near belly here. I'm not my market really where's you over. Okay? I live in a Johnny with 5 children. I want to buy a move. Mama na mu maybe where only maybe a demand go on winner. Or they will call more. When you make on I'm a I'll get a baby mama jockey. The man more one.
Told my where or me buying me. Ain't what believe. Okay.
And that's a deleno. I want me when I 2 children you get. I get 2 children. 1 boy, 1 girl.
Obese 3 months in a while.
Hello. Just tired. Hello.
When you go try near area or you are any way try. Oh, wow, be a hero, money gualo, we gualo.
I see your message. I beg my sister. Your shame, the shame me. Your shame. You don't get sense. You don't get brain. Oh, I see.
Boss lady, Naju. Boss lady.
Mommy, yes, mommy. Mommy, me.
How do you think why we are done here? Not me. If I see no send they say 5. Osas ebini abiebene. You dead there? Osas, are you there?
Okay, come on, me that boy.
Osas, it's where I am mute.
Yeah, so they take power tap a mistake Yahweh. Come on. Okay, bye bye.
You say my picture not go let you drop. And that my picture, I will buy you. With the yes, so. The man who talk say no want. Now you dey carry hypertension for, now they carry heart attack for.
Oh, do you know my yeah, do gelele.
Say na property now you define. Why you can't use my name? They say they go. You not get sense, so if to say you get sense, all those things you do for not they do. So if your baby papa don't come see you, you just send a the same address me with and use. You don't know your baby papa they stay. As mumu when you be, you don't know where your baby papa they stay. You go meet them for where they stay. You can't say na me. If your baby papa no dey come house for children, how it affect me? If you and your baby papa get problem, how it affect me? Now because you say you see and say come talk to me for social media, now I make you get my they share my picture, they share my number. Now who I go buy you? You say hey, your baby papa do it too small for me, Abi. You where the man no small for. You don't condemn the man life, you don't frustrate him life. I don't get anything I want to tell you. You see your picture, I get them. Your name, your surname, your address, everything in my hand. I go softly carry and jejely, go give police. I'll go donation you for them, make them call you, ask you wetin I do you. Make they help me ask you which money I dey owe you when I no pay. And my message for you, now be that.
Number one. Damn yo. Yo Gina man, I do get friend, they do my friend.
You say I carry police enter house. You go bring the proof out. You dey hear so? Since when I enter this Europe, I never use Nigeria number one day. The two thing when I get, now I don't take contact you. The two thing when I did use for you. My German number and my Leica number, now I don't take contact you. You go bring the proof out. If you not bring the proof out, I will never buy you. Person will not find you, not define now. I see and say your body dey scratch you well. Now people when you want to settle matter, now you define. But you see my head, you not feel use my head, settle your relationship. You not feel use me to settle your relationship. You say you want come my matter go social media. My sister, I full ground that they wait for you for social media. Not be say I don't know what to do, but I just dey look you. Make the music they play, make you the dance put. You dey hear so. As you mumu reach, your baby papa when you throw away for outside, when you throw away load for outside, pursue for outside. Now you dey accuse another woman for. You used to say you not be mumu, you not be goat. Meh, now you be. Meh. Man, when you throw away load for outside, now you dey fight people for. Now you dey quarrel people for. If the man too dey,
so you feel like you're quiet.
So shall come carry and come for house. Because say the man not dey do anything when you want. The man not dey form move for you again. The man not going to give you doggy. He not going to do either see with you again. Now you can't say na me. Your baby papa address. Your social, call your social. I know your baby papa address. Make you go meet am for where this day. Your baby papa not dey for my house. You dey hear so? If na the way when colleagues say they talk to you, now make you dey see they believe as mumu when you be, you see they believe say me with that man day. Now God, I don't know why I be say that you all carry illiterate people, all those mug, all those kalewa people were supposed to dey root garri for farm, they carry themselves, enter water, enter Europe, come begin to talk to person anyhow. If you see me for Ofia, I go let you talk to me. Are you mad? You the craze? You the craze? We are not blaming you, Sha. Na social life.
Yeah, man, I not very sad laugh because now blood that they use. Let's go again. May you wait, my sister. I never finish.
If to say you strong well, you know what you dey do. As you don't say you wise, you for carry this matter go me mommy. Carry the matter they give big block. No they carry they give small block. You for carry am both come outside. May you go tell the world wetin me I do you. Now me go carry colleagues for your house. Now me throw colleagues load for outside. Now me come social for colleagues. Not be you. Not be you. You throw away the man load for outside. The man got the sleep garage. You think say I don't know? I not go if my worst enemy say I not go advise and make it day with you because you get evil hearts. Your heart too strong. People with their heart strong, what do they call them now? Wish that they call them. If na your own brother, woman they do and like that, you go dey happy put. You go dey happy put. Cause you know say person never open mouth talk to una, na not dey use brain. If person never open mouth, tell na word, na not go use brain. I beg you, not you when I not beg you. I beg you, carry this man at house. If you get anywhere where for offend this man, beg am. You tell me say fuen. What you want for the man? Make it dey hide, they come your house. If the man they talk, they say the man, you the man, your family member call, what you they do? You go down and make you shut up. If social dey there, you don't go gree let the man come your house. If social don't come out, you go say make it come. Now hide and see they follow the boy they do. Now me they talk to, tell us if you don't pay craze before. That power where you get, that strength where you get, because you want to take and face me, I go take and tire you. Yeah. See as it be. Goat.
Okay, only now before. One of they pick something for inside this audio. Kokma, they made this one. But say, well, what about my baby? No,
never support a need. I know your pain. I know what. I know I see the before, but I be woman now. I be woman. Nobody will know the past. If you not tell person waiting you the pass through, nobody could know. Yes, nobody could know. The very first day, I think that was 3 days ago. I say, Collins, this woman you don't want to give me. Let me just know this woman. When they send your picture to me, when I see her, I say, Collins, you hurt this woman badly. This woman is not happy with you. That is what I said to him, between God and man. Your face, only your face, tell me a lot. Your look, tell me a lot. You understand? I be person who be say, I will just see you, I will read you, read your heart, read everything about you. Now that kind of person I be. I know if they support colleagues when I know yesterday, can't they beat you? Never. I will never do that because you are my sister. Now let the truth. Now I just want. I tell colleagues, I say, if, for example, say I want to go for relationship with him, now with truth. I know they follow man with lie. Because he go affect my spiritual life. I know they do it for anybody. Even my family, I know they do it to them. You understand? So calm yourself down. Anything where you want, say you want to do. If you tell me, I will support you. Are you getting me? Not judge for anybody. Don't carry your matter tell anybody again.
Who they talk now?
Anything where you just when they bother you, you tell me. I will help you out.
Who be this person when they talk? Woman, I know them, man, your guana. What guana?
Mommy, first time I work at Yaguano.
Where Mudia?
They beat you. I do that because you are my sister. Now let the truth. Now I just want. I tell colleagues, I say, if, for example, say I want to go for relationship with him, now with truth. I know they follow man with lie. Because he go affect my spiritual life. I know they do it for anybody. Even my family, I know they do it to them. You understand? So calm yourself down. Anything where you want, say you want to. If you tell me, I will support you. Are you getting me? Not judge for anybody. Don't carry your matter tell anybody again. Anything where you just when they bother you, you tell me. I will help you out. Okay?
Okay. Emini wa beg the matter wana. Really, beginning wa tell the boy. The boy not time where even the woman ya ko yen fa you worry ina ya avie garage social do ri una lo consider ewe okwo wa wo no na uteri open the boy ne but you may go into the relationship. So where you open the boy zebe the boy may so bia no you eva or no friend aru eva because a baby mama na you may was all boverio ti yan me misunderstanding. So na ba we je ye wa me ko na TikTok o ya wa lele ye ona wa ari olode ona ari ume ona ari aga ona mo bed ona silemi ya ba ona vioge baby mama ge e boy na sieti na ya ume ko ne boy na mama wo wa we I no mouth taking e boy na ma wo wa my sister I will be na istana my friend if you want us go talk to your baby father. If your baby father respects you, no go come and toast to another woman on social media. No, answer me, gotta go beg you. Just leave the matter like this. And if you say more investigate, now 5 children, no marriage. Do you think that boy love you? 5 children, no marriage. And you are still fighting. And are you pursue and come off for house? No, be you tell the man say me leave your house. You cannot call that man your husband. Now the father of your children, that's so you go call him. See again now, do washing and see hello?
Hello.
I don't listen to the audio not bad now. The audio not bad.
Mommy, not bad. Mommy, you know what, yeah? That first time when I see this girl, I judge everything give her. You know that when you tell me, say me, I pursue my baby papa, Now, like this, me and this man, they quarrel, me and 2 of us, they quarrel, Now, me, go outside. Now, me, they go outside for her. Now, me.
Mommy, you talk me.
If I say the anger don't too much, now me go run come outside for this man. If you say na lie, he get person where I go put for call, he go because na the same apartment with it, you go ask him everything.
Oh yeah, put her for the call.
Okay. Oh.
I blame the man, sha. A man not see a confusion lele yakana. Man,
Gwan. A girl knock a boy now. What give me at the beginning? Matthew, I be no one just to go far for their matter. I be just want to say make them settle the matter indoor. Now waiting me. I be want to do before. But as I see and say this something pass my power, now I consume the carry the matter on social media. Mommy, if maybe for example, say maybe ma talk to me. Not be said that yes or no. Now yes or no, because now the man come for me, not be me come for the man. Man mute.
only say, yeah, only say. But you what judge we wale la owi 100%.
The boy call him a buy. Now when not there a platform you wanna. Not do you know yet not time baby mama or call him a buy.
What's yet? Every man watch. What's yet, my brother? What's yet? What's yet na ya? Cause wo ebe no wa ka boy important again na gele judge go ga ro wa we. Owo hikia wo je. Ima no no we o we no kai. Una tiye we ge o deje na. O de boss lady ni na. E ba ni na ya we mi po. Ibege wo si ame no gbaju. Wo si ame no gbaju. Hello.
Hello, mommy, you say that you bring her go up.
Amana, when on friend request. When on friend request.
Yes, he said what ask now. You want ask you friend request.
Now when on J, when I so sorry.
Okay.
When on J. But yeah, they were not your zo marry. I want to romance. Baby father ade. O we bi o mi senu o mi go jo. U to stop we na mi ya no ko ni ta. Ufia ba ke nota ke no mata. We ata me baby mama we. Boss lady tamata. We gele mu account we ma
Mama can't even my the money. When we not soon, if we not see no go one in a do dore, when we not soon. No na come where
big hate na you. Big Kate, now you be the person.
Mama, good evening. Come on me.
Wa talk me when no I the person.
Hey, me no mommy.
Ada we ove. O se no ado se na. Wa wenu tori. E ti o saloboa. E ti won dia. E ti won banedo. E ti o yimi ya. Una wenu tori ye na wa anwa me uto bisayo.
Ise.
Okay. Stana ada we amutia. Stana ije baby na ije baby. Yo kwata for egele yo warrior.
Your wage, if we're the near Gwynny self, the woman iri buy because I tell you on the near who if you school be kindergarten with Jamie, so my ana I said, so Maggie Vinella one via Giban Mena $1 Maggie get or calling me a son and a demone. So I may not do try ni me call it because of women are normal networking mobile hero. Maggie try ni me call it, imati irishe. So you not do send me voice note when you lare here rebuy. So I may not do boy to the megale si buy or rebuy or move your naked or move when none of our soon or we have our we in nowhere or zao ya ila dia money igbinade
My sister beg wait first. My thought about me. Mommy, the boy we hear real total. When we hear loud dukun.
One on that friend request. Ni me mo nyo dukun.
Okay. God's plan. Oh, yeah, Tito. God's plan.
Okay, God's plan. Okay.
Yes, go on.
We're going me on it.
Because I mean, so manadua iri babe ba manadua igwe we was nu ona we ona le dotale nene ni iso dem na ni metana o fine manari babe asoni so ekeni mana di man na gele ire awa na gele bue ade so ona lo bi opa so ona do nene no bi okan we was nu eri nene ni ya isu nu nene no bi okan na we so e menadua iha medi ma we so emena doa iha medima we oni se wa ewe asoni metana maybe ge ase level ne wo mo yeri be ya be la wa be dori me ile bue so ni me I think around that, if I'm not mistaken around 12 oni na do la ne gbe se mena do agwo emena do ilawa so megi lawa megi lobie oman awamena kamane wa omari gebe o oni omari gebe na wa no so me ya ilajan me malajan because oni ka bola megbe na wa me ya ibue so wa me gila wa ona edo kamane we ere baby no o ga no dobo kunye ire ma na we ago kan ire ma ge o ma mu because on e bo pa no re nene bona wunya be ya gwegun wo wa so that ni no make na ila wa me mere ni nye ba le nene bogi ihian me na do aka ma wa na we ebo ni mu epa eda owunya ya mu hotel ne so me ya ilo ya wa me na we hotel me ya ilo ya so me ma gani yen ya pa dete boni ogi mu ye pa eda gi gbe oviali nene bona re yen ebo ni na ya agun abi bae ma ke de mo gbe so but when maybe otili o eyi bae me mami onije because ya we eni na woma ise ata mommy ni ya le kama we e platform we pele odun ane abo we zone ni me ya le yin try mommy si se matana le se ke ni jene la mommy try ni se to yan ikugbo mani opa me ni e wo mo ni wese
Wa talk me. My brother, no nya sorry ne. Hello, God's plan. Are you there? Unmute speaker where?
Hello. Good evening,
Hello.
man.
Good evening, my brother. How you there?
I did fine, man.
Okay.
Other side, I be don't sleep. I just wake up now. I see so you don't call me before.
Because the matter there, so I want to hear from you. I get some few questions I want to ask you. Tell me the truth.
Yeah.
And if you lie, if you drink water, you will never have peace. In the mighty name of Jesus. I need the truth.
Amen.
Is it true,
All
say,
right,
boss lady date you? She date you?
man, thank you. God bless you for that question. Since the very first day when I enter Boss Lady platform, Now since that day, I started to get stressed with the woman when born for me, my baby mama. You understand? They accuse me of many things. Normally, not date me. I will not date. We will just be friends. We dey try. I dey talk to them. Yeah, but the relationship not work according to because of wetin my woman tell her about me, how I take maltreat her, how I take not dey care, many things. In that process, we can't even dey quarrel. She can't try to settle us. It not come work. She not come fit. She even block me. That certain she can't block me one period. Yeah, we not date. Yeah, man, not talk go far. We not date. Hello, ma. I say we not date. Yeah, me and I not date. We not get. Na just normal
Continue,
friend. Yeah, now
continue.
we be.
I'm hearing you. Continue.
Yeah, you say you get several questions you want to ask me. Yeah, for me and boss lady, we not date. Yeah, my baby mama not let the relationship work out between us.
Okay, now your baby mama talk say get one day when you dey go boss lady house, you dey road, you can't do video call with her. Say, see, I dey go boss lady house. Now her place I dey go. Now is it true?
Which cause this now since on the 20th of December now, she see me with German live boss lady live video, and I beg I won't make it specific that day when I call and when I dey go German boss lady, which day be that one, because I come back for work on Friday. Yeah, she just call me, tell me say she know say I dey go boss lady house, say she knows say I no go rest. As I just come back, now there I dey go. Wetin I just tell am, say yeah, now that they go, wetin be the problem? Wetin you say make I do? Yeah, wetin happen be that one?
Okay, now another question again. She gave 5 children for you. Why you not pay her bride price? 5 boys for that matter.
She get 4 kids for me. Thank God say you say make I swear with anything as I tell you talk to you. Now,
So that may not
4
lie.
boys she get for me. Yeah. As we now the first child when she get for me, she conceived the baby for road when she dey come. As we enter Europe, before God and mine, I beg this woman make my people go see her people, make I go put bride money for her head. She not agree. Even when she even born the baby, it reached more than 1 year or 2 years before she greeted her own parents. She not tell anybody for her family. No let me tell my people even try to go meet her parents. She not agree. Even when her friend do traditional marriage or marriage, she can't even dey tell me make I put money for her head. That time she don't get 3 kids. I tell her make she wait, make I start work, because she not dey allow me to use money. That time they stop me for work. Not dey allow me to use money, go send her government money. I can't say if I start work, I go put money for her head. And when I start work, make I put money for her head. She not green, yeah, and she not green. Everything there her hand. I swear with a nickel, I swear with a river, I swear with salt. If now my choice not to put money for this woman head, make which I found on this Europe, make I not see him. Yeah.
Okay. I want to ask you the like thank God say you don't clear the air, say you never date boss lady because she no agree. She spoil your name, give the woman. You understand? I know say you not friend her. No, I know. Right from the beginning, I know. But the woman, she they believe say you friend her. Say because now what you dey tell her. Then you still talk say you show when I see the come from. Hello? Hello? No, we are watching, eh? Hello. What do you want to talk?
You see, when I newly entered Europe, when I born my first child, it did because it dey start more than 1 year before I call my people. Now that one I lie. It did 3 months now I call because when I newly enter now I born. So my people did 3 months. Now I call my people tell her. So I could just enter Europe. Now you go say make you put money for my head. You understand? So me go tell and say no. People will just say for my village they will say I generally enter Europe. They will say it's brighter. Now say make you wait first. So till it no come get work that time. When they go they tell am say make you go put money for my head. He go tell me say you no wan use government money, take put money for my head. So if he start work, he go put money for my head.
as he start work, as we dey tell am, he no come dey mind me again.
Okay, now when you don't get work, you can't tell us something. Go pay your bride price. You not come grade again.
No, he no come. Mommy, he still talk one thing. He say, me no dey let am dey use money. Mommy, that one na big lie. That man dey lie o. That man big
Okay,
lie.
another thing again. Hold on. My brother, I want to ask you one question again. Now she pursue you come up for her house. Now she tell you say make you come up for her place.
Yeah, thank God Auntie Kate don't come contribute. I won't deliberate on that part when she talks, say I come out outside, come because yeah, she pursue me come off for us. Now she pursue me, I get the evidence where I stay. Even if it is possible, I go feel call the white man when they give me place to stay. Now she pursue me come off for us, man. I go send you some thank
How
God
she
I
take
keep
pursue
the
you?
video.
She throw away your things.
Yeah, she throw my things. The first day when she pursue me come off for us, the first day, not be now 3 years ago. Now we don't separate. 3 years ago, man. 3 years ago, the mistake when I make and watching this woman they do me, I be not one. I don't know people when they listen to me for here. I don't really know. Now 3 years ago, now me and this woman don't separate. Anytime when she need my help, anytime when she want do anything, she go call me. Now so we know they play reach 2 days. After that 2 days, he go still pursue me come out for house. You understand? Anything when I do after 2-3 days, anything when I do, it go be like say na fire. It go be like say I dey smell. He must vex. He must pursue me. I must come out. If I not come out, she not go get rest of mind. Now so I dey do am with am since 3 years. Inside this December, so now I decide not to follow and make problem again. I swear with my life. I swear for him presence. Say, mommy precious, as you dey insist, say I come out for this house. I don't come beg you almost 3 times. Come back house. Come inside house. Come out for call, you not agree. If I come out, even Kate when talk, now in prison I for swear, say anything will make me come out. I know they
If
come
that
back this
woman
house
will
again
come
because
up, now present you for swear say you will never come the house again.
yes, as a pursue me come out for us, say make I come out. Now so I take really come out for house. If I even come out sometimes, what thing she go do? If I don't come out sometimes, she go pack my things, give bus driver. Even so to say bus driver want to carry things for her again because of the way she dey. If I just come sometimes I go forget my things for there. He go pack the things, give a bus driver. Bus driver will come give me all those things for bus station. I go see carry enter house. Sometimes I go even cook for my house here, or I go buy food items.
Yeah,
He go even advise me.
why?
I go
Because
carry and
may
go
I
there.
tell you one thing?
I will carry and go there. If I carry and go there, not be say the food you go eat am, we go just condemn the food. And that particular time, when not go even there with me again, we'll get small problem. I will go get this man go say pursue me come out for house. I'll go
How
house to
many
manage food
times she
when I
don't
get.
pursue you come up for house? How many times?
If I'm not mistaken, this man don't pursue me come out for house. More than enough he can't. I don't go sleep for my friend house. Even my friend when get problem now when they my house, my balcony, they make not beside the light they give up. He didn't say they sleep now. I feel wake up. I don't go sleep for his house several times. I don't go sleep for Igbo man who two of us gotta do business together, container business. I don't go sleep many times for outside. I don't go sleep for cool. The first day when this girl pursue me, now because of I don't know what even happened. I enter house, they make food. I don't know who make food. The friend make food. This food this more make sense. So and only that word I make. The next thing say go marry her now. I don't know my friend. I don't know anything. Now that girl present now for pursue me, carry my bag, put for her side. Whether she do, I don't know why she really do that in that very day. She throw my bag for her side. Now be the first day when she throw my bag for her side for her friend present. The problem, the fight, every time problem don't tire me. Now I decide that very day, swear say, if I come out for this house, I can never come back again because it done too much. If I don't do work, I put my hand for machine because of I dey think with how I want do to make peace with this man, how I want do to make sure say me and this man live well together. Now God now save me.
Okay, now How many times she don't call you police?
For
How many
police
times she don't
matter,
call you police?
we not dey call police for each other. I don't feel like for anybody help because we get who they help us when they always they advise us say we will not call police because of police problem too much. Now the man wife now you go call. If you call that one go just come inside house, go just tell me give back. That one go pursue me come out for house. Na only him husband na him go come. He go wan try. Him husband before he separate us, the husband don call us together, me and this woman so say make he give us therapy. I don't know who go dey as in make we explain how we take dey get problem give am so that dem go settle us. This woman no gree. He say I must comot for house before this man come go find house for me. Yeah.
You. My sister. Everything.
Okay.
Mutiana, mama. Everything.
Mommy na lie.
Where be lie?
You lie beg.
Because wait for anger well. If you see, before he come out, that day, where I sit down, he come slap me, use he leg, take hit me, go carry knife, because they make I talk. If I talk, he go kill me. You understand?
He carry knife.
Yes, he carry knife, say he go kill me. For where I sit down, present of children.
Present of children, he carry knife.
Present of children. Mommy, anytime when me I eat the quarry, I tell her because he get anger so much.
Me na cook I dey cook that very day. Even Mr. Roy can't even.
May you wait, allow her to talk. Wait, if they carried knife before.
Yes, he carry knife.
How many times he don't carry knife?
Mommy, I don't think he carry knife. Mommy, one day, me I eat the quarry. You know what he do? Me I can't go outside because if he anger come, people don't that we go mark. You know why we go mark carry me go that day? He say you know what leave me for here because the anger is too much. May another thing not go happen. Let me come and carry me come out. Mommy, one day, you know me and this man get problem. As I come see say the problem too much. I can't run go outside. You know what he do? He says I go outside. Grass where they do. Now so this man hug am. He hug glass. The glass all break. He call injure. When this man call, this man call carry and go hospital. If the anger come on me, if I not come up for us, he go beat me blue and black.
Mom precious me. Jesus.
If your anger come, make it just go inside first. If he calm down, he go come back. Now somebody go tell her because if he anger come, everybody for us no go get peace. Around 3 o'clock in the night. Now so this man go start. I no go sleep. Now so I will test it down till day break. I no go sleep. Now so this man dey do am.
Okay, now I want to ask you another question. Now. Do you still love him?
No.
No, tell me if you love him so that make her settle now. No feel shame.
No.
Do you still love him?
No, but it's all for my family, that will not be if I say record for you when they insult my mama. My mama, I lost my mama 2 months ago. This man, he lied, say my mother will not even know her. My mother I used to do all. I tell this boss lady like that, say my mama I used to do all. The two don't come out for eye now. Imagine. My mama will die because they lie for his head. Not be like when this boy lie give this boss lady. Mommy, if I say make I talk today break, no come up for here. May I don't rest.
You need job. Well, now, what do you want from him now?
Mommy, what do I want for him? Things when me and he gather do together, he know what make we share them.
What do you not do together?
Me and he, right from time me and he, we dey do things together.
Now build house together.
Yes.
How many houses?
We get 2 houses, we come get poultry. but the two house one finish, the other one dey decade. So I can't say make we finish, make we share the thing. Now be my problem.
Your name dey.
Yes, my name dey. Now Mr. and Mrs. Miss in name and my name na it dey.
Okay, my brother, is it true?
Yeah, for the property side, now true. Now almost 3 times now we don't make conference call about this property. If you tell me say see the one when she want take for inside, I can't say okay, no problem. She first say she made them say everything. I can't look for buyer. Later she call me say she want take the house when they been. I can't tell her say okay, no problem. Make she bring lawyer, make we change the document. She no bring lawyer. I even tell her brother, make her brother come take the document of the land. Anyhow, then change them. Come concern me because I want to name the inside. In brother no come. He send me voice note about say I won't kill her. I'm not telling her say no, come. If you they come, you go police station. A police station I go give you the document. But
okay, now where the document of the house? Where it dey?
It did Benin, but I mean they bring and they come this side before. But the document of the land they Benin.
My sister, you hear what they tell you? Well, you say you go carry the one with they Benin. Is it true?
Yes, mommy, we talk about before, but let me bring the document. You know, agree. I bring lawyer. I send the lawyer when I bring. Make I give her my the lawyer number. I said no, it's not possible for me to give you my lawyer number. Let me just the document so that that my lawyer he go write you or. He said no. Said me I must give her my lawyer number. Now tell her say that one not the. I know if you do that kind of one. So
Yeah, waiting happen for that part be say. He saying get lawyer and the person who won't give him the paper say he won't go give the lawyer for office. Make he give me the lawyer number so that he and the person go make appointment. She no agree.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
I understand everything. My sister, give her the lawyer number. Okay, you can even fast all the documents, go give lawyer. Or faster again.
Maybe waiting the person tell me. She not agree. She say I must. She no.
You see what they always talk. Doing something together. A problem in a row. Thank you, my brother, for you to accept. Say you will give her one house. Give her. He bought 5 children for you. And before he bought 4 children for you. And I told her do and may God bless you. Tomorrow, I want me everything settled tomorrow. Make give her the house so that make it work out life.
Yeah. Now waiting since the very first day. Anytime when she call me, now waiting I even want because I don't need her problem. Waiting be say her problem. I don't really need them again for my life.
Okay, what I want anything when she wants. You still love her. You still love her. If you love her, make her settle to often.
Mommy, not be this life. Waiting she showed me the character when she showed me, not be woman when I go feel say
the woman when you love. Okay. It's good. Two of them not love each other. The love is not by force.
Yeah.
Love is not quality. So I want to do now because as I don't enter the matter, I want to make we end this tomorrow. Hello, my baby. You get lawyer. You get lawyer so that we can talk this thing on WhatsApp tomorrow. Afternoon time, the morning not there. And from 2 o'clock.
Now me the talk.
Yes, you get lawyer.
Yes, I get lawyer.
Okay, what's going to happen? Be say me, you, and your baby father. All of us go there WhatsApp. May we discuss with the lawyer. May we conclude everything. Before Friday, may you go collect a document from lawyer house.
Okay.
You don't do yet? Matter no day yet.
Yeah.
Not swear for. Hello, my brother. Get what you want to.
Yeah, that 2 o'clock I not go get time because I go day work that time. I go get time by 5 o'clock.
Okay, 5 is okay. Lawyer go still the office that time.
Yeah, if collect the number for you anyhow. If you collect the number for you now, if I come back now for you to let me know, say, see the lawyer number, then they will go give the lawyer.
Okay, now she will send you the lawyer number. Send the lawyer way. Okay. See your phone running no why. See your
Yeah,
phone.
yeah.
Okay. So we lawyer I'm a victim. What we are Mario. My brother, the one where you two collect, are you okay with it?
Yeah, they okay with yeah.
No, not verse here. If God say you go get more than that, you'll get her. Work very hard. God bless you. Thank you very much. My
Thank
baby,
you, man.
God
God bless
bless
you, man.
you. It's okay, yeah? I'm with Matanaji over why ain't there now? Everything is okay like this.
Okay. Mommy, what I want to beg you, you know, say my picture, my picture, my address, because I say I will go submit her for police station tomorrow. Because this man, he give this woman my address, my picture, my everything. So he all you are saying threatening me.
My lad, you don't mean anything. What do you do? You not do bad now.
Because we are go submit her tomorrow. Now this man, first way say two of them not there. Mommy, when people come back and go they give her my picture.
You know whether I to give her. You know, you don't ever see say the girl post your picture.
Why be say not see one precious why you like problem, why you like talk. Now live video I did, they screenshot me and this lady and they send, they go give your friends, they send, they even
Yeah.
tell me say you won't post out for this thing. Why they do like this?
Okay, let's go for children support. You say you know they support the children. Is it true?
Which one we say not they support the children? If really say not they support the children, our government ain't gonna tell me that will not be she. You understand?
Wahala. Now what time you want to talk? So I'm gonna support to move the government of him.
That one not be problem. I don't go do that one. So we don't support the children. That one not be anything. So now me a government
Get contract. Okay. Every day I matter now. I marry a miyawa. Because the matter no so abawa why equere. But it was set to your fair. I will bet you about the boss lady. Why where you or one of us find the boss lady now. Any problem you or why vagiro?
Mommy, if you can't boss lady, no concern me. You know what?
Now what I tell you now.
Now boss lady not give me my document. So I need my if you give me my document, what you consign they not consign me.
See, mommy precious say you know one thing about life, you know say you don't tell when they tell you say if you they talk something they be careful. Make juju not go kill you. Yeah? Now they tell you. They be careful for everything. No they talk make you make anything when they this life ask you and also ask me. Yeah.
You never prove.
Because now so you always they lie to claim to make me look bad, which I not see mommy precious make I tell you all this one when they talk and because of say me I not come back come they do like goats, come they do like mumu. Now be all this problem since all this why say maybe I hide come. If I open door for me as you do before, I decide not to do again. Now be all this problem. Swear with anything. I swear with my life. Now be all this problem, mommy precious. So, you know. Let me they call me. Okay. Why you not want agree? Make I call where now? These documents, we never do conference call. Make we settle this document matter. You not agree? Tomorrow you go see now this one you want. Next morning you go see now this one you want. Why you not be truthful for what you they do? I don't want to follow you exchange word for life because I don't know who they listen to me. Not be this kind of life. Now I call Europe, come do mommy precious. Yeah. You know how many times I don't tell you say be woman when they bring man down. You since when you the judge, you tell anybody as me and as I take a document, give you and children, you tell anybody know. I know they follow the exchange word mommy precious. Waiting. Mommy precious now you're good now you go kill you. Why they not ban me for children's school? They go children's school now. You know why this woman I see my precious. I don't want flip now. I go. What I want to tell you say anybody when you do good for and any good when I do for you, mommy precious, go turn
He
to
said that because of his
eh,
book.
It was the death of the children. It's children see, and I thought I was a shock.
mommy
He said
precious.
some
You know say
children
precious.
see
You know
you,
say
they go to shock.
wait now. No, you ask me questions, so they banned me. I don't want. They not ban me for children's school. My pikin go come back for school all the time. He go dey cry, they go dey beat am, he go dey cry all the time. Now I go to school. Now I go to school, go warn them, say warn the teachers. Finish. You not get you not get say maybe them banned me, man, not come to school. And she even dey happy with what I do. More plus, why they do like this? If God, now God, I go judge you. You hear me? Now God, now he go judge you. Now so we go bed it together. As we come back for the bed, mommy precious say, mommy, we don't already settle the matter. All
It's
this kind of
okay.
talk now, just try this.
It's
Yeah,
okay. It's okay.
yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The most important thing, I don't share the property. It's okay like that. Problem not there yet. It's okay. Because we are being a good and I get children for each other. I know I'm not to talk. It's okay. The family might be settled. Ah,
This family with mommy may very person not the talk because once you dey talk, I go dey this family they don't want me this guy even marry, make you even marry, talk lots of anything. If you get problem like this, I go even call them. They go tell me say because of say I not put money for your head, they not go fit talk put. I go talk of putting money for your head, they don't go even mind me. But if they get anything, get any problem, when they talk say mama die, now me even send money when they take do their papa bury and when I don't know anything about, I get all the evidence for my phone. They go just call me, they go just say in-law, they go just they pet me, then I go send money give them. As now they do all those things, make they even want my put money for their daughter head. They do anything, and they even they subscribe for them that period, and me subscribe for them. Wetin happen when that period? Now I call am my period. This thing I don't really understand them. Most all the time I dey call your brother if me and you get problem. You know they mind me, you know they won't settle me and you. But anytime when they get problem or they won't do anything, you go call me in law. I get all the voice note wey they beg me money. I go send am money. Now see this thing not really make sense. She just spark, she just dey vex, dey shout, just dey make problem. Now I tell her say, I'm just calm down now. Now wetin I mean be this one, I don't mean any other thing. She just dey vex, dey shout, make people when they up here. Even when her mother die, I follow her cry. I no be say it's this way.
So this is my mama. Now say this time,
I won't come down
person they cry, they talk about money. No, he never come out in mama for village. Now say, what you come for time me? If they work, I know they ask you why money they enter. Money when they pay me. This one don't they let me the rest because of mommy. Now because of money, now I bring this problem. Oh, money, now I bring this problem.
why? They ask you money.
They let me the money. I can share the money for two. I will give them one part. Small government go remain for my hand. When I go take like something for children, if this man still better school for my children, but if he take school, if children take school before.
mommy precious so wait, so I don't understand. Which one me say na money they bring problem? Na money when you tell they pay meeting, na they bring problem. I be which money they go pay you? You go give me one part. Me when they work, all this kind of thing I don't really like them. All this kind of thing I just as in just can't destroy my image. If everything when you they talk, mommy, I won't carry a lot cause I won't really swear. If everything when this woman they really they talk, now truth, make we end this matter. Mommy precious, everything when you they talk, if na truth, say you go, they go pay you. You go count money, give me.
Then they ask me, he tell me say, many my account he wants here. Mommy, that 3 years ago when you are separate, now the money, now it's make us separate. If that now money, my money, now your account is the enter. I say if money enter my man account, I go tell am say I wan buy this one. This man no dey gree. The eye go change. The eye go change. If you come see me, make me wey be young girl, I go old, I no fit buy something. This one no dey gree, dey give me money. Till me and him come separate finish now. He come tell me I tell social say make he give me him card for him bank. Social come say no, they no go gree give me till I go open my own account. I don't go up, when I go open my account, this man no dey let me dey rest. Every time if they pay me, I go share money, the money go to. This man wey go remain, na me dey still dey feed, na me dey feed am o. Na me dey feed am, na me dey pay all bill. Me money, I no dey ask am wetin dey do, so I dey do. But you see my own, him eye dey die put. Him eye dey die. If they give pay me, I go give am €1,000. The small one we go remain, when me I go take, when we go take.
If they pay you, you go give her €1,000.
Yes. Yes. That's what they do. That's what if he lie, mommy tell her make he swear if I lie.
Every month you they give her €1,000.
Yes, I dey give her €1,000 when they do something for us. Mommy, the €1,000, he come say it too small. It's too small. Now he bring problem. As he come back for work on the 29th, he tell me say, at my account, he no know me that they use money. Now say, yeah. He say if me I want buy something for children, me I go come ask her first before I will come buy her. Now tell her say no, me I be mother. If I come back, if I see what the children like, I will buy her for them. Now he come say me I not be woman when they say I not be woman when they marry. Now he bring this problem so when they grant though. If I lie, he make this night take my life.
Hey, how much that they pay the children?
If only when they pay the children, and now only when they pay me now they use the one when they pay the children, I go they give and make sure they do something for us. I go the best will say me and I don't think say me and we will separate tomorrow. You understand? Because me and him we just got to start life. I don't think I say me and him will separate tomorrow. I don't say we they do things together. If they pay me, I will give them money. If they pay me, I will that's what I say they do a money. If I still give this man money, he not they let he go tell me say, hey, money when they pay me. Money I will tell us which money that they pay me. If they pay me, I will give you €1,000. People small one way they when I will pay manage, this man not go let me get peace. Now money now I bring this problem when they grant so money.
Hey, wait so. The man not they work.
Nothing if they work or I don't know how much they enter this man account. I don't know. But if they work, it not concern me. But you see my he died put. He died put. You know they let me they get peace because of money. If this man see new clothes for my body, na problem. If he see new clothes for children body, na problem. The one where they wear expensive one. But if you just see say me and the children that na problem.
That is you they give her €12,000 in a year.
Yes.
Then how much you can they save for your side?
I know the same for the kind of say me and if they do it together, me I can't say and me and it better. So now it make me they give her that money.
Now how many years they now when you they give her 1,000 every month?
Mommy.
Na Jamio, na Jamio na mi na sunu na. Jamio na sunu we worry. Hello.
Mommy, since when we enter this thing, when we enter, now me I not get my own account. Now your account, now my money, my children money they enter. You understand? So after we get 2 years plus now when we separate. You understand? So money for my account. If they come pay me, I go give her the money. When we say they do something for us, I go withdraw. Ask boss lady, I just give her like this. Ask her, we get complex call. Ask her whether the man deny. Ask boss lady. If that guy just now, when I tell you say they said, ask her whether they lie, whether they lie at all, whether I not just give her. Boss lady contact we take conference call. Boss lady contact this man say, you know go see woman wey go be like this. They will tell woman they go withdraw the money, he go give you. You know.
Now, we have not caught the game money when I caught the eat. You and your children.
Yeah, now took the money to that one. Now my money, now we take the eat. My money.
But where your money? Where your baby father, baby?
Me, I don't know how you pay the bills now. Me, fear not going to let fear not going to let me looking at. So first of all, I want to ask her how much they enter your account.
You don't even know how much they receive every month.
Mommy, I don't see the answer. Even his phone, you see his phone, If you see his phone, different kind of people. Here, no, they let me touch his phone. Talk like for saying that your account now one touch.
God. Okay, thank God say now the house you want collect so. Okay?
Yes.
The house where you want collect now, how many flats?
No, this thing, we never build and finish. Now, this thing, now duplex.
But they don't put zinc.
No, we never put it. Now, definitely. Mommy, how we take talk? The one where they place, me and he go carry that one. The one where they be me go carry that one. The poultry where they inside, we go share them. We go sell and we go share the money.
You must still get poultry. Where they take care of fowl.
Yes.
Fowl don't already there.
No, he never did. We just the build them.
I don't understand. You they joke man they invest and the man not pay your bride price.
Mommy, could you believe this man, as a wicked rich, as that all those house, all those things be rich, my family don't know anyone. Anytime when I say my family, make my family go now corporate, you know go green, go say some people now witch. This one not go green.
Your family don't know those things where you will demand do.
Family don't know this boy wicked rich.
Yeah. How old are you?
Mommy, you're at talk, babe.
He said, what told you? How old are you?
I get 30 years now.
How old is he?
He get 30, I think 34 years.
Biakawa. So you don't know how much they receive every month?
No, if I ask her now, because of that, they avoid problem.
You sure say your name did the document of the house?
Yes, my name.
How you take no? You take a lawyer when I want buy the land.
With the take lawyer, they will send out the document through email.
Who get the lawyer? Now you take the dollar, then I take the lawyer.
My sister.
We mate fiya say.
I know 4 children because people they write and say I get 30 years, I born 4 children, 5 children. Now 4 children, now I get not be 5 children, now 4 children.
Mafia say no tejo yobe. Now what I tell they preach be this. Obviously no mafia o maro way. Okay, I have a way no baba no wa easy. Baba na you my no.
When I usually enter, but now don't fear.
How you cut a fear?
I mean, now first house where we debut you don't tell where we they follow you. It past more than 5 years when they follow you. You not last phone now for year and say if a man woman want do something together because the first house when we build now only in name day. When I call the year that one, now I call tell and say me take lawyer when they put my name joiner.
You know whether your name J because not being lawyer you supposed to get your own lawyer. I talk out for the message now. If now wait till I talk now, it make you open eye. Now your lawyer you supposed to get. Or the lawyer maybe the lawyer because nobody knows tomorrow. And I mean after every time. But amunwe shawo, amunwe o. Amunwe. Everything when I get, I'll share that together. So he must give you. Amana amunwe rani elenje. Amunwe o. A message ni ori gele save ku ma be webo. Message ni gba ni bu mo wo ve so e. Na wo na wo le lo pe abo wa anywhere for what?
Best for you, where? It's best for you.
It the best for me, where?
It's best for you. If you don't enter house because you said that you are the one, I will fast come out. That's why they go. If you come back now, you say I they watch you. You go just I will just fast come out before you go just ring there. I will fast come out.
Why? You don't like me?
No, you don't like you because of all these things where you talk, where you say they save women. You don't like the neck and not like you.
Okay, now what can you worry? You get back one of the back your bo. You buy ya wa bo very ya go eti re. Ya wa we fi wa ya o. O go afia wona mase. O wa we na o mure sha. No mure. O wa mure ogba. So akwe ati lawyer.
Okay.
Wari lawyer go bowe. Well, lawyer we tie na ni ami egbe. Lawyer we ti to ge mama aka we gbe lawyer we gun ame. E ba mi agele din ye gele ri ni we yo se. Because when we je na we ma yo we je school ah. We je school.
Yes, man. Not be I not to go like that.
Yo. Umaka bofin o. A village we wa na wa won jo. Awe gieko. I want to make you laugh. I want to make you laugh, yeah?
Yes.
Cause I worry one on my video. So I wanted the duplex, you know, the boy photo before December, one boy photo. Call.
Thank you.
Now, look at you been when I want my way here.
Okay. Thank you.
Call, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
We are when drop a no lawyer when we have to lawyer will day 5 or day 5:30. We call the lawyer door call it. And we man can no waje. You know where the house there for Billy?
No.
If the trinity is what una get, you don't know where the day.
No, I don't know where it's there. I said
even your family, no one of your family know.
Why not green? You don't green to my family.
Oh God.
No good.
You know, preaching every time. You preaching this is the reason why many men hate me. Because of my truth. And they let all the women to know their right, to know their position. How can you build that with a man? And a Billy, Kesa, yeah, do I'm a 3 hours. When I take a family when you have address in Web Waji. The Nika, you were white, but the Nika, we are.
2 seconds, 1 content.
You, and the money Kenya rock my J. Mama, God day, my sister. Waiting belongs to you, you go receive her times 20. God day. Papa Tina nothing, yeah?
Yeah.
You see, waiting happen so many of our people dey inside. Some serve na Kokobiri, some na Igbo people, some na Yoruba, some na Senegal, some na Ghana, some na Cameroon. When they don't go invest, they know tomorrow. They know tomorrow. Oh, wana boy you tell going. It take by the grace of God. I can't collect you. Well, here look me up, baby. Make sure no real lawyer boy. Lawyer they call it. Lawyer they attend. They attend anybody way you like. Lawyer cannot tell say you not go school, you not go attend you. No. Lawyer is for who go school, is for who not go school. Wait till lawyer just want me give her money. Any English where you speak to lawyer, lawyer go accept. Lawyer not care. Whether you speak big grammar, you know this. He doesn't care. So family tell him the problem where they pass through, and he go listen to you. Wanika no ve go vie go bowa. Egbe we ma on urere o. Mana gwa le solution journal. Aga no waro tag bo tejo bata kalabata usa oni phone. Only one phone bari ana riave. Do ware bini cause bini wo ekenu wa boejina. Go and find out. Very, very important. Many boys where they moho, they not like me because of una. Me I will do a feel because he is Zozo. Oh, thank you from UK. He is Zozo never wagmo. I don't over waka. I can't say men they cheat women. Now make no man can cheat me again. Oh, or rigo bia. Many men for this Europe that they like to use women, they climb up and dump them at the end of the day. After when they don't achieve the goal finish, they will come ask you, say, who are you? What you don't do for me? I manage. I will take you the house. Your money not there. So look back go make one yet no feel. If you go follow my build hotel, now you know not the kind of a man you want follow build mansion. Because as soon as they build the house, you gonna do like say he love you. When the house finish, you will come see red color. And many of them, they don't want to put your name. They go say, come on, come by us together. They don't want to put your name. If man tell you, say, come on, do something together, go into prayer, and they work for me. I'm a living testimony. Pray over it. Thank you. God bless you. Go into prayer. Go and declare Baba. Oh, piano very mado bo wa kukugbe Baba. Aga me no ga frustrating me mo da o Baba go wana gba e. E go me gbe stigo me jo wana Baba.